But the fact remains that when you want to calculate cash flow is divided into two. There is the cash inflow and there is the cash what? Outflow. Depreciation should be treated as cash inflow, not what? Outflow. That's why we are adding depreciation. So what we did before, instead of subtracting depreciation, you will do what? Add. And if we have subtracted before to correct it, our former depreciation was 4,570, Abi. Am I correct? Multiply by 2 and add it to what we got before to get the real figure. Or you go back to the table and do your normal addition. Before you start pay back accounting rate of return, I hope that correction is taken. I have sent that since last Saturday, Abi, except those who don't check.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. So, sorry, sir.
Yeah,
Oh,
in
okay.
case you were not, it is sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost plus what? And that's all. Because there's no amortization in our question. So this was available. And if there is staff value available, if there's what? You also add, but this staff value should be at the end of the period, which you know. Year 1, there's no scrap value. Year 2, no scrap value. That means scrap value year 1 is 0. So this is the formula. Take note, the exam has not started. Finance is still 24. It's not too far to take a correction. Depreciation is an expense when you are dealing with income statement. But when it comes to cash flow, depreciation is cash inflow, not outflow. Is that okay? That is how those who came before us say we should be doing it. And I can't disobey elderly people. I have to obey them. And that's what I've just done on the board. Is that okay? But remember, for those of us who are thinking that cash flow is not profit, it's a profit. Because cash flow is made up of cash inflow minus cash what? Outflow. That outflow is a cost. When you take away cost from revenue, because what? Profit. For those of you saying accounting rate of return, that is not profit, it is profit. From that year 1, the cash flow you have are all profit. So you don't need to tamper with the production cost any longer. Your production cost will be half of the investment plus a scrap value. So that is my own submission, and that one has gone. I believe everybody has taken correction or adjustment. So for today's matter is the second part of what we did last week. But this one does not involve too much story. It's not about calculation. So is this taking? Can I clean? Those of us online, is it taking? No test? This is the only adjustment. Instead of minus, we put a plus. And that is the story. So like I said, those who do not understand, what we're saying is that in case you don't understand finance, or any other course you can call. Whether statistics or what else you can call. For me, and can I get special online, one-on-one yourself? Because the tendency will be and now as for the work anyhow. So if there's a topic you felt that you need some brush up, we can do it like practice online on your own. You negotiate that to you after in the class. But you are not joining us as something you know come. There is nothing wrong. You can still get some tutorial on that. One-on-one. Stay your house. Stay my house. We do it online. So that is what I was saying last week, and I'm repeating it. I'm sorry now that I hope now they are clear. So we move. Can I clean this? You must get A. It's very easy. It's very easy. If they give you question and you can solve it, you can get it. It's possible. It's possible. In New Nigeria, it's possible. No matter what. It's possible. Now, When we say capital budget under risk and uncertainty, it means uncertainty means hello, I don't start to no ask two questions, I don't start. Uncertainty means doubt. And when there is doubt, it will be associated with risk. And when there is risk, our cash flow will do something to our cash flow for us to do project evaluation. And there are two methods involved. One is probability based method, and the other one is non-probability based work method. We'll try our best to analyze anywhere we saw the Lord will see it through. So the first method is probability. Probability based. Are you there? First method is this in evaluation our project or project appraiser. There are two major methods available. One is called probability based method. For those who are not around, in this method, will be expected to calculate expected value of it. Two, will be asked to find variance. Three, will be asked to find standard what? Another one is coefficient of it. Coefficient of what? I hope that's all for that. Am I correct?
The same as variance now. Coefficient of variance, the number 2.
No, number one is the expected value of cash flow. Two, variance of the cash flow. Third one is standard deviation of the project. Fourth one, coefficient of variance. Any other one I remember that I know put on for board. You can't study. You don't finish it. Very good. The next one is the non-probability or non-statistical of it. It could be statistical or probability. Take note. There is statistical. All of them is the same. Non-statistical is method. Are we there? For this one, we have the first risk adjusted discount rate. Have it? Risk adjusted rate method. The other one is the certainty equivalent coefficient of it. CEC. The other one is sensitivity of it. Sensitivity approach of it or analysis. Analysis approach. I hope that's all for now. Based on the course outline. This is what they say we should do. For those of us that are just coming, this is everything. Probability based. We'll calculate. Is that okay? There's a question I saw in your past question that has 2 periods. We don't want to waste more time. I saw project A and B. That means if you see enter C, there's nothing wrong with it. If you can do A and B, you can also do what? C. We don't want to waste time. So we have even solved that type before, but some people may not know what was going on. Are you ready? The year, Gabby. Those of us online 2020, 2021, 2020, help me send those with the snapper. 4A, that 4A or 2A. Help them send it so that we can start with that. We don't want to waste time. Probability based method 2020, 2021. Send it to them. We have solved that type in this class before, but that one was not to see if somebody can remember. But let's do this so that we don't waste time too much. Those of us online, are you following? Please send it to them. Those of us online, are they there? Have they traveled?
They are here, sir. Which
2020, 2021, they will send it to the platform now so that we can handle probability-based method and see how it looks like. Are you ready? Have you sent it? You have sent it. First, let's manage your own. Oh, snap. Number 4 or 3? Is it 2A? Okay. There's a difference between project A, project B. There are other ones you may have in exam that will give you a project that has 3 periods or 2 periods. We'll just tell you what to do. We may not do everything like that so that we can cover more. But first of all, this is 2 projects. They are all independent. So I'm going to solve it in 2 ways. There are normal way you want to tabular up, and I'll give you formula, which you are not always given in examination. You have project A. Project A, we have cash flow. Probability. First one is 4,000, the first event. Okay, it's even in million, but that's not a problem. This is the project. The probability, 5,000, 0.5, 6,000, 0.1. This is the first one, Abi. Project what? A. Let's see how the project A will be. We'll draw like this. We'll draw this way. We'll get this. I call this C, A, C, A, C, A times what? Is that okay? Cash flow, Abi. We'll have a CA minus EV of A raised by CA. Are you there? Have you seen the formula? This sharp, have you? We multiply. Somebody help us. 4,000 times 0.4. They never get up. 160. Good. Next. 50%, 25, have you? 10%, 600, have you? Is that correct? 0.6. And I be that now. Somebody add together. 4,000. We have just gotten the expected value. Expected value has been taken care of. Who is not clear? They are following. For instance, let's assume that this is an objective word question. Hello? Let's assume this objective question. We can't be doing this. You can't be doing this evening exam. A good student will remember that EV is equal to C is equal to summation of CT, CT, T starting from 1 to what? N. In this case, N is carry. So what the person will simply do is that 4,000 calculate times 0.4 plus 5,000 times 0.1 plus 6,000 times 0.1. And somebody calculator can run this as fast as another alternative. You have seen it. You can be doing this table in common objective question. And you can also use this theory and ignore this table outcome. All you do is this times this times this, add them together and stop wasting time in examination. There's no time. There's no time. Any question? They are doing well. We move on. The next one, which you know that in that next one, you can also do this. You know, you have gotten this. You can also say, what is it called? You know, this is very happy. You can just write CA minus CB or what? Times C what? That is it. You have gotten this already, Abi. You have got the EV. So you put it here, raised to power 2. The next one will be plus, Abi. Summation of the first one, you know, say this one with this square times probability plus. So that means this one will not be summation also. Maybe we can just put T to make the thing easier. This is also times T, and this is T. T starting from 1 to 10. That means you get the first one plus second one, third one. And your calculator can run that as fast as possible. So that is the formula for getting sharp, or you go to the step. Let's go to the step. 4,000 a day minus 700 a day. Okay, let's show them small notes because there's no line that can. So CA minus AB all raised to power what? Minus this, minus this. Is it clear? The next thing is to square 700.
Hello, sir. It's not clear. It's not clear.
Not clear. This is 4,700. No one here. This one aligned. Is it clear? Which one is not clear? Is it the expected value that is not clear? Or which one?
How you got the last table minus 700, 300?
Oh yeah, now this is CAB. Cash flow for project A. The first one is 4,000. 4,000 minus 4,700. Is it not minus?
Okay.
Did you get it? 5,000
right,
minus 4,700. And I said it can be bad. So we now square this. Abi? Hello. We square this. Minus value plus. Abi? Don't bother at putting minus. Because some of you are calculating. I don't know whether you know how to use it. So leave minus. Just press 700 square. Multiply by what? 0.4. This one square. What? 196,000. Good. Then the next one, 300 square times 0.5. 45. Good. 45,000. Where is it again? 1,003 square times 0.1. What do you have? Make sure you are pressing the calculator.
169,000.
What? 169. Is it okay? We add everything together. That will give us
410.
who is not clear. 410. 410. Okay. All of them. Okay, 410,000 a bit. Good. So that is our we say the color variance a bit. To conclude the matter, we need what? Standard what? In case you don't know, standard deviation is the square root of what? And variance is what? So what's the square root? Who did? 600 and what? 640.3. One more 3. Okay. That is standard what? This is the symbol. Because the square root of this will give us this. And the question went further there. Is there no coefficient of that? Is there? So CO1. That's coefficient of error for project A. We are still on project A. And what we do to project A, what we are going to do to project 1. That means I may not even solve it, but because there's that also. This is standard formula, standard what? Over expected weight. That means that deviation is 640.3 over 47. How on a scale? 0.12. Calculator no good. 0.1136. That's 13.6%. So we have just finished project 1. A. Very simple. I like that. That means when
Hello,
they see
sir.
an
Please,
FOP,
snap it.
yes.
Please,
Okay, I
help
not saying
snap
very
that
well.
video to snap.
And they say you should help them snap it to the Gideon. The Gideon, I said I know see the same way make you help them snap it. Okay. The next one is what? Probability. This one will be okay. They all know. So C what? B. B what? BB. They know that one. What is it again? CB. CB. They know that. CB minus EB of B. Then CB minus EB B. All raised to power 2 multiplied by what? So the other one, I believe. Okay. Okay. Now, the second project is 6,000. We have 4,000. We have 3,000. Our probability 0.7, 0.2, 0.1. Oh yeah, as usual, it hasn't changed. What we did in B, A, is also repeated in B. Oh yeah, 6,000 times 0.7. 4,000. Is it 200? Good. 0. This one. That should be 800 abi. This one is 300 abi. Somebody is adding expected value. That is 53 abi. Are they following? Who is not clear? Who does not like the way we are doing it? Ask question of the exam is almost there. Project B, we are not going to look for the deviation. This is what we call deviation. That's deviation in mathematics or statistics. The deviation will be 6,000. Fine. That will be 700. 4,000. Fine. Minus 1, 300. 3,000. Minus 2, 3. We square this. Multiply by 0.7. Somebody else. 3, 4, 3,000. Okay? Yes, 1, 3 times 1, 3. Or 1? No. That's why I say may no put minus for exam. May the minus no handle you. Because minus times minus has always been plus. Because the exam you press the calculation, you didn't put bracket. Did you put bracket? And I thought, so because you not put bracket, minus goes. So forget the minus sign. Because the minus sign will always be positive when we square it. So ignore. So that you don't press it in such a way that minus will come in again. The purpose of squaring this place is to make sure minus is eliminated. That's the purpose of squaring. If not, I would have used the number like that. So 1, 3 square, 338,000. Square this, multiply by 0.1. 2, 3, 3, 55. Okay, 29,000. So I have us add all this. Variance 1 million. Like this, Abby. Good. Even if they don't show, what matter is that the idea they call right and down. We have shown them how to do it. Okay. Standard deviation is the next thing, which we agree is the square root of variance. And variance on the back 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Somebody pause 1, 1. That's all. We thank God. So here is B. That is the square root of this. We remove 2. And this is our coefficient of what? Variance for B. Is the standard deviation. All right. All over expected value of this current project. Standard deviation is 1100. And this one is 5,300. You have 0.1. Is it 2 1? We will call everything 2 0. 2 1 a day. Anything on our court. Like this a day. So 20.75% a day. No, leave out. Or write 21%. There's nothing wrong. That one is what? This one got. Why the president say we should advise? Read. They say we should advise what? Oh yeah, now we don't do it before. Which project we go take now? Why are we taking this? We will take A. B is risky, Abi. B has more risk, Abi. This one no get more risk, Abi. The risk for this one is 3 million. So the one we no get plenty risk, now we go. No, not everything to money. The one we plenty fast, now we go take. So this one is starting point. This one has good, and this one has high risk. So we advise them to take project what? A. We all agree? Project what? A. Any question? That is solution to that one. I'm going to send another one to the group and then also I'm going to tell you what to do. Are you following? Remember, this is two projects that are independent. Now, I'm going to have a project that has 2 or 3 periods, which is also your, it seems it's even your past question. Let me see. Is that? Yes, is that? I have one. Let me put this one. That is 2019, 2020. Kola Wole Limited. B. Go send that one to the groups. We can explain. We'll just write one small formula on the board so that they know what to do. Because it's the same thing we have done here, I was going to do there. But you must understand question D, whether 2B or something like that. So this one is gone. Remember, so that you do not make mistake in exam. This one is project A and B. That one is a project that has 3 periods. Year 1, year 2, year 3. What I did here may not all agree with that one. We'll explain. So please send that one to the group while we wait for them to finish copying. So that we have finished first part, which is probability based method. It's not that difficult. There's nothing there. Just remember, practice regularly. You will not forget. It's when you fail to practice. That's one thing about mathematics or anything quantitative. When you practice, you remember. You don't forget. 2019, 2020. Number 2B. Only 2B. Edwin. There's one guy that was calling me. So I just do hand as one. Just do hand for the picture. Couldn't people like you? When I went across the people, they choose. I can't make up. Listen, why? So when it comes to picture, and how would they decide? How we are coping? But when this thing come out, you can destroy it. Oh, bless God. Oh, God has been destroying it. Well.
Please, where this
nothing. For the rest, must be.
solved?
No problem. Combine everything. It's good. Now money will they look at it. Now when and then to practice. You know the use your answer like carry Tell me. Those of us online, any question? Any query? Have you posted? Good. Those of us online, any question? Those sitting down here, physically. The question they okay, you have seen it, Abe? Good. This is just a project. Just one project. And if you look at this project, there is project cost, Abi. So check them now. This one has project cost, Abi. And it has cost of capital, Abi. Yes. Abi. Yes. And the one we always use that treasury bill, which is risk-free. We don't use the other one. Now, the question says, Scholar Wole Limited is considering an investment project. An investment project costs 14,000. That is our year there, Abi. The company has determined the following discrete probabilities of net water bill by generating the water. They have their project. One project has different periods. This one is two projects that are independent. This one, a project that has three periods. The only thing that is related is that year one, we'll find expected value for year one, which we all know now, Abi. Year one, we'll find variance, Abi. We don't need standard deviation. We'll just find expected value for year one. Variance for year one. We'll stop for year one. We also do year one, two. Find expected value for year two. Find variance for year two. Are we following? We'll go to year three. We also find expected value for year three. Expected value and variance for year one, three. Is that clear? Everybody got that? Good. When you have done that, the problem becomes so easy. So everybody can even do that on their own. So when you have done that, this is what you now do. I can clean this a bit. Can I? Okay. When you have gotten that, because there is what they call a project cost, that will make us remember net present wastage value. Expected value of what? MPV is going to be expected value of year one. Okay, let's just write formula so that first of all, is the at time what? All over 1 plus what? All raised to the power of what? Summation. Still starting from 1. How many years is that? 3 years. Okay, let's just write n in case of formula. Minus what? Any question? Is the formula clear? Year 1. You by the way we did for project 8. Year 1, you find variance alone. You don't need standard deviation because the question told us standard deviation. We're going to get standard deviation for all the whole period for that particular project. So find variance first. Are you with me? And after finding variance first, you find the year 1, find year 2. But now we have gotten expected value for year 1. Somebody could have even gotten the answer since, so somebody must have given us expected value by now. I thought they are still here.
Can we solve the question properly, sir?
There's nothing like properly. Better pay attention properly. We have told you what to do, except you don't understand the first one we did. We're not going to sleep here because we want to solve questions. So please, the first one we did, if you understood that, is what we did for year 1, year 2, year 3. And after doing that, we now solve Roman figure what? 1. We can't stay here till tomorrow. This is Roman figure 1. Please, somebody must have gotten expected value by now. And I have done it before. Check your notes now. I did it before. I did it before. Expected value for year 1 was 6,000. Is it 309? Okay. And year 1 we got 63,000. Those who have seen it there. So we can work on that. If you have not gotten your own answer, you can try 6630. That's year 1. Expected value, if you have solved year 1, your expected value should be 6630. Confirm that when you get home. In case you confirm, you don't know what to do, you can call. We will still oblige you. So if you have called me and ask more questions, we explain. We did not charge. Yes. When your question is just one of, you don't worry me too much. But when your matter don't become every minute to call, that means you need help. You need to pay more. Yes. Because there are how you can call doctor. I might have this. You go say, okay, use this But every time they call, I say the thing the hero says that come to the hospital. Let's examine you. Yeah, you can't say it like that now. So if you see not the tumor, no one. But if you call me, ask questions. I explain. Some people can testify that when they call and ask some specific questions, I explain. But when it's becoming like I explained to one person, after I explained the next thing, that's me question. My help so I'm in the judge. So the right is to ask question. If it's on this one we just did now, that expected value is giving you from I told you that expected value is 6630 in year one. If you have problem with that, call. I will explain. No problem. If you have a how I got 6630, that you cannot do your normal calculation. What we did here. Maybe we did it here. Maybe this time this we got it, and we added this together and got 6630 in year one. And you cannot comprehend it. Firstly. But we can't start. But I wonder who will have question with this small thing. This small thing. No, the person can ask you, but whoever he can't ask, maybe there are some, mind you, there are some here, they don't like asking questions when there is a good match. A good match is crap. So some people don't like to ask them like that. If you say this small thing, why would I do it? How can I be asking a question? Okay, those who don't know, okay, let's even assume that they don't know. This is cash flow of project B. This is probability of project B. And this time this, that means this one multiplied by this. This time this, we got this. This time this, we got this. This time this, we got this. Remember, it's not me that got the answer. We press calculate, and some don't know how to press calculator very. You're in that category as precision. But if you put your calculator properly, it must give you that value. So that's what we did in year one. We got expected value. Have you tried it? Is it 63? Good. Year two come. Sorry. So remember, our interest rate in that question is 10%. Yes, listen. There are 3 ratios there, or 3 discount factors.
Can you mute? Let's see the board.
There is a treasury bill, 10%. There is cost of capital of the firm, 18%. There is a color only how it borrows. Those ones are not important to us. What's important is the treasury bill, which means free risk interest rate. That is what you use always, anytime, any day. It's always free, risk free. Because there's already risk in this wahala. We're only looking for the one we know the risk so that we can do the ratio. So, and I 10% Abi, 0.1. This year one, Abi, that is the expected value for year one. Plus expected value for year two, which you have calculated. Which is again 7725 over 1.1 raised to power 2, Abi, plus what again? 6 like this, Abi, over 1.1 raised to power what? According to that question, that is what is the cost? 14,000. Project cost of 14,000. Any question? Who knows if you do this? MP. So you just press your calculator. As this 1.1, Abi. So you can do 1.1 raised to power minus 1 times this, or this one over this, this over this, this over this, minus this. Answer will come out. How am I saying? Is it clear? You don't understand, ask question. Even if you are just coming today, you can see ask question and meet up. Except if your mind is not here. But if your mind is there, you are here with your whole body. And we are solving I because you have calculated expected value for year one, year two. But remember, project A and B is different from a project that has 3 periods. So those are the two types of questions they set under this probability-based method. So you must know which one they give you in the exam. We have solved the first part, we are solving the second part. Yes. 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 No. That first one I did as standard deviation, but it doesn't have interest rate. That's another way to distinguish it. That one that has interest rate is this one of the 1 year, 2 year, 3. But the one that does not have interest rate or project cost is independent project of B and C. They just want to find out which of the projects you should select by calculating coefficient of what variance. In this one, we don't calculate coefficient variance. With our standard deviation, we'll get what we want. That's all. Because you can see that, okay, they say we should calculate it, but it's the same approach. Standard deviation of the whole project, all over expected value of the whole project, which is what we're about to get now. Are we there? Somebody, how far?
No,
I did it before.
So please, how can we get expected value with that formula without using the table? I'm still finding it difficult to press the calculator. How can I?
I gave you formula. I wrote it on the bar. I don't know if no copy. I want C-board. 6,000, Abi. Are you seeing the board? The person online, are you seeing the board?
I'm seeing it.
See now, this 6,000, like this. Expected value, if you are seeing this, 6,000 into 0.7 plus 4,000 into 0.2 plus 3,000 into 0.2. Expected value should be 5.3. Check whether it's like that. Confirm it. Is it clear? That's what I expected it to do fast. Your calculator would have done this and
Yes,
let you know this value, let you know this value, let you know this value. What is that? It's not even you that is doing it. The calculator. You just punch it. It comes. Because in those days when our great grandfathers were doing mathematics without calculator, it wasn't easy. They were in there. So one of but at that time they were not giving them something so high. Like, they were doing arithmetic, not mathematics. Oh yeah, everyone. This plus this plus this minus this. You know, subtract this. 394 0.5, Abi. That is it. So our expected value of MPV of the project is MPV. You know it's positive, Abi. It's positive. So that one has gone. The next thing, I told you, you are going to get what? Variance for year 1. You get variance for year 2. You get variance for year 3. Is it clear? And if you have gotten that, Roman figure 2 will go like this. Standard what? Is that what the question says? Yes. And you all know that standard deviation must have square root. So it's going to be summation. That is a variance of year 1 plus year 2 plus year 3. Is that okay? All over 1 plus r raised to power. This one are 2t, no mistake. And if already this guy the 2t comes in, I hope that's the problem. Am I correct? Because I don't know whether I remember. But we thank God. Is it clear? Oh, the first answer is wrong. Oh, why now? Oh, which one? Oh, now 3, 4. Okay. The guy no press calculator very much. 3, 4, 6. Okay, 6, 3, I think. Okay, 3, 4. Point. Okay, 9, 7. Okay, we agree. Is it clear now? So this formula will only arise The formula is arising because this is year 3, abi? Or let's say year end. So this formula will only arise because it's a project that has more than one period. It has a multiple period, 1, 2, 3, or even 4 or 5. So this is where we use this formula. Unlike the other one, this kind of formula does not arise. So with this, I hope year 1, you get it. Year 2, get it. Year 3, get it. And I can still recollect. What's the variance for year 1? 291. Okay, 291. 61 0 over 1.1 at the average 10%. Then 2 times 1. I hope you are following. 135 985 all over 1.1 for the 9875. Is that okay? What was the last one? 212 6900 over 1.1 raised to power 6. Sorry? All of them are square roots. So this divided by this plus this question. See formula. Year 1, 2 times 1. Year 2, 2 times 2. Year now formula given by elders that came before us.
Excuse me,
And we can't disrespect elders. Yes.
excuse me, sir. Is it possible to use tabular method for this?
Say this one.
Yes.
No, you can't. So you can't. That's the formula. You can't use tabular method.
Okay.
Roman figure 1, you can go. If you want to use tabular method for number 1, no problem. But that formula is the best. And which figure? Which one? This one? Okay, the third one. It should be 2 words. Wait, somebody confirm. What? This correct? Is it correct? Amaka? Is this correct? Check our notes. The same as said. But don't worry, even if it's not like that, it doesn't matter. What is important is that we have gotten what? Variance. We have gotten what? Variance. The formula remains valid. So follow it. Yes. 1.1. 10% now. Arithmetical. 2 4. I don't know. The 1.1. Supposed to be 1 plus 4.1. Oh, no. No, we only have this starts from what? Year 1. You know, there's year 1, year 2, year 3 in the question. There's no year 0. And there can be year 0 in this standard deviation. Year 0 can only occur in MPV. And that's what we have used. But here we're looking for the standard deviation for the whole project, which was split into a period of 1, 2, 3. So what we want to get here is standard deviation. So that we can calculate coefficient of what? Variance. That involves standard deviation over expected what? Value of the whole project. So this is the standard deviation of the whole project, split into 3 periods. Is that okay?
Hello, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
How did we get the numerators? The 2916100 135 9875.
Can you see this board? Can you see this?
Okay, yes. Okay, it's from the okay.
Very good.
Okay.
No. This project. So that year 1, year 2, year 3, find it variance for year 1, variance for year 2, variance for year 3. The way we did this project B. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So that is it. You're welcome. Now somebody help us now. What's the bracket? If you add all this, over this plus this plus this, something should come out. What do you have? Oh yeah, nobody, no leader. Okay, no one. They don't get that. You say what is that? 4, 5, 3, 9. What? 392. 392 what? 392.5. So what's the standard deviation? The square root of that? Oh yeah. Is it correct? Ah. 4539. 39 again. Okay. Somebody help us. Help us. We don't know where we're at. Help us. Anybody? Is it correct? Is this correct? Okay. The square root 2130.158. Like this, Abby. Any question? No. I know the member said they will approximate. 59, Abby. Now 58 again.
585.
How this people will not know. People will, there is four in it, so no. They don't know that for. Oh.
58014.
Okay, 580 or 014. Okay, 014. That is not to 5, Abby. So it should be 58. So now approximation. If the number very close to reach up to 5, now then you are allowed to approximate. If there's another number 5 that is 5, we can't do that in mathematics. That's not how to approximate. Is it 585?
Yeah.
Oh, is it 585?
Yeah.
Oh, these people. Okay, because there is 5 there, there's a make add 1.
Yeah.
But if it was 4, we cannot. So anyhow, sir, take care. Roman figure what? Coefficient of variance is the standard deviation of the project. It's okay, it's well. But oh yeah, the coefficient of variance of the project should be the standard deviation of the project, which is this, all over the expected value of the net present value. And that gives us coefficient of what? Variance. That's all about the first part of capital budgeting under risk and uncertainty. Any questions from anybody? What is not clear?
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, please,
Go
how
ahead.
do we know why did we use the formula and not the tabular method?
Formula along the tabular. Where is
The
the
method
tabular?
we
Which
used in the first one. I want to know the difference between this question and the first one we treated.
okay. The
Is
first
it the
question we
net
treated.
present value? Okay.
No. The first question we treated has 2 projects, have it?
Yes, sir.
Project A and B. So that means each of the projects is independent. The question is only asking you to let us know which project is better so that we can implement such project. In that kind of situation, we calculate expected value of each project, variance of each project, standard deviation of each project, and then coefficient of variance of each project, and be able to look at the two which one has high risk and low risk. We now discover that project A has 13 point something percent of it, and while project B has 20 or 21%. That means that the one with a lower percent of COV has lesser risk. Therefore, implemented project A. For this second question, it's only one project, a project that has multiple periods. Year 1, year 2, year 3. What you do in this one is to find expected value of year 1, expected value of year 2, expected value of year 3. And you now calculate Roman figure 1, which is expected value of MPV. The first one, the second one, the third one, and you remove the project cost. And you get the expected value of net present value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Then you can find standard deviation of all the projects at time 1, year 2, year 3, so that you can calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variance like you did before. But here we're not comparing because it's just one project. Who have gotten this? How many percent? 52%, have it? Okay, 0.1. 19, have it? 97. So 52%, have it? It's okay. Approximately 1.9. To move further, it's just 52%, have it? But from what you are seeing, this project here is, have it? It is high. But they say we should calculate. They didn't say we should carry out advice. And the only way we can carry advice is when we have more projects that we can compare and be able to handle. Is it clear? So that is the end of
No, sir, please, sir.
probability based.
Please, sir, how do we find the variance with the formula? The variance.
Which formula?
And this.
Yes, now you find. Shebu we did project B, abi? Hello?
Yes, I
Whether we
can.
can find which one? The variance we got before.
Yes.
They said
In the tabular
the
form,
same thing.
the variance before finding the standard deviation. So I want to know how
Yes. How you can find it?
with the formula.
Yes, now I've written the formula on the board, but I don't know whether you saw that. See, standard deviation is C minus the expected value of the project, all raised to the power of 2, probability of the project, summation, starting from 1 to n. And then this variance, abi? This variance. No, not all. So you have summation, C starting from 1 to n. This is a variance. That means the cash flow for the first year or first event minus expected value. The other one, this is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, which is 1, 2, 3. So you have gotten this. The square it, multiplied by the first one. So that means if I'm going to solve it now, it's going to be C1 minus expected value of 1, all raised to power 2 times probability of what? Plus C1 minus that same expected value, which we know is the first one. That one doesn't change. That one doesn't even happen. It's like that, just 1. So all raised to the power of what? 2 times plus C3 minus expected value, all raised to power 2 plus P1. When you add all this together, it gives you variance. I know that the square root of variance is standard deviation. Is it clear? Those of us online? And those of us there? I don't think there's any question. Any questions? Let's just start one before I find my way for today. Dividend. We never finish. Now we see the one in the talk. Don't worry. But we have treated dividend for like say we just start. And we are taking it step by. I'm not leave the second one. And we can't even finish the second one today. When we come again, we see what we can after all finance 23rd, Abi. Abi. Eh. Time 3 days for finance. No be next week. Even there's no your exam never start next. Today is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. There's no be just the other after 17 Monday. Why they not that? Finance is 23rd. So we are still taking it gradual. We are looking at the other one. At least by now you should be having hope, Abi. Even if you have tears, by now your tears should be on what? Yes. You can go straight for that of expected balance. So this formula, you can even ignore. Just say MPV, this over this, you know what you're talking about. It doesn't matter.
I think that formula is
Let's assume, wait a minute. You reach exam. You don't go remember formula, you don't go do anything. If you don't remember this formula, in case I think they talk, but already she knows there's the formula.
No, wait.
Hello, Bumi, you know there's the formula. And you can't remember, you don't remember that. And you have to write something inside the book. She knows the application. Just go straight and do it. She wants to get MPV. Wait now, wait. Oh, no, I leave down my time. You reach exam. You worry formula. You don't agree. But you know how to go about. Write it down. Let the lecturer or the marker be the judge. For now, I wonder. You can't go write the formula. You don't write and wait for it. What is important is that if you know the formula, write it. You know how to solve. Go ahead. He said, no. Hello. There are times you have already known that MTV, you know it. That it is up. You know it. You have it in your head. But you don't feel right. Remember how the thing looks like. That does not mean you should leave the book empty now. You must write something. But you don't remember how you go put that. Unless you want her to be cramming with so many things in the cram. There is an application. Anyone will do you. Do I? We'll just look at this one. Then I have to qualify. So this one is risks. Adjusted. Discount what? Rate. This one is also based on what? MPV. What is it? RA means risk adjusted. You should understand. Equal to. It's still the same idea of cash flow, but it's just that it is the interest rate that is tampered with. This is our formula. It's still what we're using. But just that our interest rate is adjusted. Forward, not backward. Straight up. Just like they do for the car, bro. Adjusted. And anything that goes up, I don't know. So this is now 50. Some may write 80. Some may write empty. The choice, the nomenclature is not a problem. All over 1 plus R1. RA. Is that okay? All raised to the power of what? Summation. See, starting from 1 to what? N minus what? If you don't know MPV as a finance student, you never can. Because most of the things you solve has to do with MP. And MPV is so interesting. You can use tabla, you can use formula. The choice is yours. Even this one, we can solve use the tabla for a bit. We just do, yes, we can solve that. You just draw a line. Yeah, now. 1, cash flow a bit. Am I correct? There's the cash flow. Discount what? Then you have PV a bit. You then get what? You just fix the first one, 6630, 7725, 6690, and discount factor. You know there will be a 0 here, which is 14,000 a bit. You know this is a year 0, year 1, year 2, year 3. This is 1. You calculate and get PV. So the choice is yours. And if you don't like all these tables, you use formula. Is it clear? So anyway, but that's our formula. So there is nothing in it. We may not bother so much, but later we'll continue. But let me just show you where we all know that CT is cash flow a bit. CO we know it. But it's that RA a bit that looks different. RA will be equal to risk free plus risk premium. Perfect. Yes, that's what there's no other thing. In exam, they may give you risk free as maybe 10%. Our risk maybe what? Okay, or 7%. You understand? When you add the two together, that means you have. But first of all, for you to solve this kind of question, you need to do 2 things. First of all, you calculate on what? And then later calculate on what? And judge the 2. And look at the one that will work. We all know all these things. Any questions? We should take a question a bit. And I don't think there's any question your past question. Anyone? It is? Anyone will get it adjusted. We know this habit, I don't like it. Check if there is, let's whether we can. Just show you one idea using the MPV. It is? Make we send question. So we will not check, You know the mistake there, don't need to bother. Okay. No, this is not the question they direct. This is not the question we'll get. I need to tell us what they do. So let me just explain this. I have to call it a bit. Now, like without wasting time, let me just if there's no is it there? Maybe that. Check now. You don't even know. Is it check? People will not say anything. But this is a normal NPC. Okay. If they no get, okay. Any question like that? Okay. Let's whether we can capture one. Did it? And Mas. My grandma determine MPV place project. Again, assuming not what is the level of shit? It's just done. Let's send this one. No one. Amaka, Amaka, let me send it to the group. Check your work. Let's just throw more light on that. I will continue next time by His grace. Those of us online at this stage, I will send the question. That is the risk adjustment. According to the question, those of us online, can you see that one? We are now on a, how do you call it? Risk
Yes, sir. We can
adjusted
see.
goal. Anytime they tell you about risk adjusted, you must solve risk free before risk adjusted. I look at the question. Not the year, no day for now, past 20. They no bring that inside. Who know whether this year they won't bring. But it's part of the scheme or the cost outline. So the project cost is 1.5 million. Have you seen your platform? No, just check your platform and see question where we want solve. Period. Now, we have here, we all like this. We like this one. Yeah. Cash what? Flow. Discount factor at how many percent? At 12%. We are looking at the risk free discount rate. And this is the present value. We have this year 0, year 1, year 2, year 3. Is it also 4, 5? 4. 720,000. 630. It seems we have done this before. We did it before in this class. Am I correct? Yes, thank you. 1.5 million of it. Good. 1.5 million. Okay, 720. You have done this before, Abby. Those will come when they go up. You have done this before in school, Abby, or in class, whichever one. So this is first of all you do risk free, Abby. This is one, Abby. This is one, Abby. We have done it before. Help me. We don't need to waste time just to show you what happened. 12%. Our discount factor is 1 over 1 plus R rated by N, Abby. Yes, there is always 1. Divide this by 1.12, Abby. 0.1. 8926, Abby. 29. Next is in your note. We did it before. Only it. Oh yeah, divide this one by 1.12. 0.79. Okay, 79. Then divide that one also by 1.12 in case you don't have it. 0.7118. Divide again by 1.12. 65. No. 655. Better. Now let's ask now. Who doesn't understand? If you don't like that method, you can You can
Please, I don't
quickly say
understand.
MPV, and we won't make you understand now. Yeah. Using this common, it will be 720,000 a day, all over 1.12 raised to power 1 plus 630. Any method you like, plus 300,000, all over 1.12 raised to power 3, plus 270,000, all over 1.12 raised to power 4, minus CO. Any method, sorry, this is the risk free. This is a 12% risk free. Is it clear? Which one do you like? You can use this formula or use tabular one.
We like the tabular
So
formula.
like it. Anyone you like. So this one is 1500000. Somebody next. This one times this. What do you have? Oh, I don't have. We are going now. Somebody else. Help, because I don't know where I'm going. 64288. Another 8 like this, Abby. This times this. Somebody help me be calculating this one. This is 1.5 million. This is 50223, Abby. Okay, like this, Abby. Oh God. So wait. This times this. Wait till again. Okay, 36. No point. Oh yeah. No. Oh. Don't worry. Leave matter. Just this time this. What do you have? 213 540. No point, Daddy. Oh yeah. This one. Who has calculated this for us? 171585, Daddy. Somebody add all this.
30,249. 30,249.
249. Is that correct? Somebody help us with this one. It should be the same. This minus 1.5 million. Oh yeah. Nobody. It should be the same thing, but find out. You either use this formula or use tabular form. The choice is yours. So if you use tabular form, you can continue. I want to get the answer for this so that I can get MPV RA equal to 720,000 over 1.17. 17% to 630 all over 17% plus 300 all over 1.17 raised to power 3 plus 270 all over 1.17 raised to power 4. I hope you understand. See, this is formula method, Abby, or formula what? Method for risk adjusted. You can also do tabular method. It will be this class. How many percent? 70%. The choice is yours. You can use any method you like. MPV for risk free. MPV for risk adjusted. So somebody get the answer. Is it the same? Should be the same or similar? 30 213. This one. 213, Abby. 0.24. This one is more accurate. This one. Listen, here there's a lot of approximation that will affect the people. But this one there's no approximation. So that this one is more authentic. Thank God though. Is it clear? You don't see how? We bless the name of the Lord. How about with this one so that is that what? Means it is plenty. Minus what? 92995, Abi. 0.1 what? With this now, our advice to the company that they should not what accept. They should reject this project because it has a lot of and it will be not profitable. Is that okay? Because when it was 10%, was there risk? It's good. But with the risk adjusted, the project shows a lot of risks. It shows red, light. Is to know where this project has risk. We have added 5 more percent, means that the more percent we put, we have a minus. But sometimes it will be a plus, showing that there's no risk, we should accept the project. But yes, there's the risk. When the LTV is negative, it's not good. So we reject the project.
So the first percentage is this.
It's 12. Second one is 5.
The first one
is a risk premium. Risk, no probability. Risk premium. Risk premium plus risk free. Together is the question. The question made us to understand that we should first about try risk free and then try what risk adjusted to know where the project should be implemented or not. But because it has negative, this project cannot be implemented. You can see formula method, tabular work. You can't do the two in example. Choose the one. This day. Which one you want to? SS tank, you shouldn't show them two methods. Any other questions? If it's me, this formula method is it right? Point your calculator. No, you just put calculator. You don't even need to do anything. Just press your calculator. Everything will just come out. But not like this one. You go do what? Divide by 1.1. Divide, exact time they go. I have told you to leave over alone. That's it. Look at the board. That you can write 720,000. Are you here? Plus, calculator can do this. Which one they get? And the old calculator no feed you, and the sham wishing go feed you. Sabi, you show me that day. That calculator be as you get. So you go buy new one. New one. Saying that does it have something like this? ABC. I have to get no one and I don't sort out. They say they own the company. Oh, yeah, let me see before I find my way. In short, I should be. So you press 720,000. Divide by 1 point. Okay.